Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. So, welcome back to my online class. Okay, in last class, we have learned about looping statements. What are the looping statements we have learned? For loop and while loop. Okay, so you learned how to write for loop statements, that statements, how it works, then each and every steps I explain, then how we can use step concept in for loop, increment concept and decrement concept, then what do you mean by endless loop, then how to avoid that endless loop, then how to write one program about table. So this one I explained clearly in last class. Okay, and while loop also we learned. Okay, so by using well program, I explained one program. That program step by step concept I explained. Today class we are going to learn graphics window concept. Okay. The graphics window object, it is used to draw lines, shapes and text in many colors. The coordinates used by the graphics window are shown in this figure. The window is width pixels wide and height pixels high. The two values of the coordinates identify a pixel in the window. Okay. At the top left corner, the x and y coordinates are 0, 0. The x coordinate increases from left to right. The y coordinate increases from top to bottom. The properties of graphics window with their default values are given in this table only. So here some examples of graphics window property they are given, and what is the explanation of each and every property and their default values they are given in this table. So okay, let's see one by one. Okay. So the first one, graphics window dot width equal to 400. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? It sets the width of the graphics window to 400 pixels. Okay, so default pixel value is 624. If you forget to mention this, if you don't mention this 400, okay, system automatically sets this default value is 624. The next one is graphics window dot height is equal to 600. This is the height of the graphics window to 600 pixels. Okay, if you don't mention 600 pixels, default value is 444. Okay, so the next one is graphics window dot titles. If you want to give the title in graphics window, okay, so you should mention this property. Graphics window dot title is equal to, within the double quotes we need to mention the title name. Here example I have given. So it sets the title of the graphics window as example. Okay, so in the default value is what, a small basic graphics window. Okay, so the fourth one is graphics window dot background color is equal to yellow. Okay, so if you want to set the background colors, you can use this property. So here a yellow color I mentioned, so instead of yellow you can use any colors. If you don't mention this yellow any colors here, so default value is white only. Okay, the next one is graphics window dot pen color is equal to red. Okay, it sets the color of the pen to draw shapes on the graphics window to red. Okay, here default value is black only. Okay, so if I change, if you want to change any colors, you can change, instead of red you can write any color name here. Okay, if you don't mention, it takes black as your color. Okay, then graphics window dot pen width equal to 3. Okay, that is pen size. Okay, it says the width of the pen used to draw shapes on the graphics window to 3. So here I mentioned 3. The default value of the pen width is 2 only. Okay, so then the graphics window dot brush color is equal to pink. It sets the color of the brush which is used to fill shapes drawn on the graphics window to pink, which means by using pink color we can fill in any shapes. Okay, by using any color. So here pink I mentioned, so any shapes filled with this pink color only. Okay, here default color is slate blue only. If you don't mention this pink, its system automatically consider the color is slate blue only. Okay, I hope you understood this one well. Next, we can also type text in the graphics window. Okay, you can write any paragraph, your names, anything you can write on the graphics window. Okay, here the font used to type text in the graphics window is specified by 4 different properties. Okay, so let's see the graphics window properties with examples. Look at this table. The first one, graphics window dot font name is equal to Arial. I have given. So there's a lot of fonts names are there. So whatever your favorite font names, that one you can write here. Here, I have chosen Arial here. Okay, so they mention here Arial. So what is the usage of what is the explanation of this property is it sets the font to Arial. Okay, so next one, the default font value is Tahoma only. Okay, so the come to the next one, graphics window dot font size is equal to 22, which means what? Because we are going to fix the size of the font. Okay, so we are here we fixed what to 22. So it sets the font size to 22. The default font size is 12. So come to the next one, the graphics window dot font bold equal to true. Okay, so font bold means the font bold I have chosen. So if you want bold means you can choose here. Okay, so here font bold is equal to true. Within the double quotes I have mentioned the true thing. It can accept only two values, only true or false. So true sets the font in bold. Okay, so default value also true only. Okay, so come to the fourth one, graphics window dot font italic is equal to true. Okay, so here it can accept only two values, true or false. True set the font in italics. Okay, so default value false only. Okay, so we need to mention, if you mentions this true, the font italic value it sets the font to italics. Okay, so I hope you understood these 4 properties of font. Okay, so come to the next one. Next, we are going to see the methods of graphics window. Okay, methods is otherwise called commands. Okay, so here they are given in this table. They are given some methods. Okay, let's see one by one. The first one is draw line of x1, comma y1, comma x2, comma y2, which means it draws a line from one point to another point. The first point x1, y1, no. Second point x2, y2. Okay, using the current pen. Okay, you understood. The points are mentioned. What are the points? So we can give any points here. Okay, depends on the point. It draws the line. Okay. Next one, draw rectangle xy with h. Xy with h. So instead of width, they are given w, then height. Okay, that is h. It draws a rectangle with an height and the screen at which point x comma y. Okay, using the current pen. Come to the next one, draw triangle. So x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2. Then x3, y3. So it draws triangle using these 3 points. What are the 3 points? x1, y1, that is 1 point. x2, y2, that is another point. And the third point is x3, y3. Okay, by using these 3 points, we can draw the triangle. Okay. Next one, fill rectangle xy with height. Okay, here draw ellipse are there. Now by using this draw ellipse method, we can draw a circle too. Okay, that depends on the width and height only. Okay, so we should choose correct width and height. Okay, then only we can draw the circle too here. Okay, so the next one, fill rectangle x comma y width and height. Okay, it fills the rectangle with height and the screen at using the current brush. Okay, xy is the point. On the point, it fills the it draws the what is that rectangle by using width and height. Okay, by changing this width and height value, we can draw the what? Not a rectangle, and if what is that square also we can draw, okay, by using this fill rectangle method, okay, understood? So the next one, fill triangle x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Okay, it fills the triangle connecting the 3 points on the screen using the current brush. Okay, it fills some color inside the triangles. The fill rectangle, then fill triangle. The fill ellipse means it will draw the triangle filled with some particular colors. Okay, so current brush color means, okay, we should mention before what is the color of the current brush. Okay, that color only we are using to fill that ellipse, rectangle, circle, triangle. Okay, so understood. The next one is fill ellipse, no, x y w h. Okay, so it fills an ellipse with height, particular with an height on the screen. Okay, which point xy. Okay, by using the current brush. Then draw text xy comma text. Okay, so it draws a line of text on the screen at the specified locations using brush and font properties. Okay, by using that both properties. Okay, so at that particular locations, what locations we have mentioned, no, on that locations it draws a lines of text on the screen. Okay, so we learned everything, the methods and the properties, the font properties, everything. Okay, so let's see the programs, how they are using, how we are getting the output of the programs, how these graphics window objects works in programs. So let's see one by one by using the program only. Okay, so go to the page number 68. There they are given one program. Example 5, write a program to display. This is a graphics window in Edwardian script ITC font, size 40, bold and italic, in green on the graphics window. The width and height of the window should be 400 pixels and 130 pixels respectively, with yellow as the background color. So this is the programs we are going to display this sentence on the on our window only. Okay, so let's see the programs. I am giving the explanation of each and every code. Okay, so listen. First one is I need to fix the width and height. Okay, so here in question they mentioned 400 pixels to 130 pixels. Okay, so width one is 400 pixel, height 130 pixels they are given. So I am writing the code like graphics window dot width equal to 400, then graphics window dot height equal to 130. Okay, then come to the next one. I'm going to set the background color. Here in questions they asked us to set yellow color, so that I have written like this. So within the double quotes I mentioned yellow color. You can write any color within the double quotes only. Okay, so then next graphics window dot font name. So font name, in questions they asked Edwardian script ITC, no, so I mentioned here font name. Then graphics window dot font size is 40, then graphics window font bold is equal to true. Okay, we already learned the properties before I explain, no, everything. So that one here we need to mention the true. Okay, the next one is font italic equal to true. Then graphics window dot brush colors. Okay, so we need to fill the color, no, by using this which color, green color. So graphics window dot brush color is equal to green. In questions they are asking green color, so I mentioned that one. Okay, that is my text color. Okay, come to the next one, graphics window dot draw text. Okay, so what are the text I need to display? Okay, what is that? This is a graphics window. Okay, so within the double quotes I mentioned this is a graphics window. Then before I should mention what is that, xy, which on in which pixels I need to start to write this one. So 20, x pixel is 20, y pixel is, what is that, 40. Okay, that is my point, and that locations I'm going to write this is a graphics window like. Okay, so I hope you understood well. See the output program. So I'm going to show you this program in computer. Okay, so next programs I will explain, to 3 programs I will explain here. After that I will show you the output of each and every program in computer. Okay. Go to the page number 69. So example 6. Create a program to draw two rectangles. That one is unfilled one and filled one. Okay, with the blue color. Okay, filled with the blue color. Then the background color of the window is orange. Okay, the text unfilled and filled rectangles should be printed above the rectangles in Times New Roman, bold, italics, and new white color. So in previous programs, we have written one statement in the window. But in these programs, we are going to write one statement as well as we are going to draw two rectangles. Okay, one is unfilled one, another one is filled with a blue color. Okay, so see the program here. See here, graphics window dot width is equal to 700, graphics window dot height is equal to 300. So we should mention in every program width and a height. Okay. So here 700, 300 I mentioned. Okay. In questions they didn't ask, but we should mention. So you can mention any value here. Okay. The next graphics window dot background color I mentioned here. What here in questions they asked is background color of the window is orange. So I mentioned here graphics window dot background color is equal to orange. Okay, then graphics window dot draw rectangle. Okay, I already told you. Okay, here rectangle, no, to draw a rectangle we should use this method. So graphics window dot draw rectangle of 1 200 150 100 100. Okay, here 200 and 150, that is the locations. Okay, x y I told you. Then 100, that is what width, another one is height. Okay, here both are same. Okay, I have given. So the next one is graphics window dot brush color. Brush color is equal to blue color. Okay, so the first I draw one rectangle, that is unfilled one. Okay, so the next one filled color with blue color. So that I mentioned here brush color is equal to blue. Okay, if they asked us any color like yellow color means we should mention here brush color is equal to yellow. Okay, so here next one fill rectangles. Okay, by using this blue color only. So fill rectangle 400 150 100 comma 100. Here 400 and comma 150 is a pixel locations, x locations and y pixel locations. Okay, so on this point I am drawing one filled rectangles with the blue color 100 comma 100. With this 100 height is 100. Okay, next graphics window dot font name. So font name what they asked, Times New Roman. Okay, so Times New Roman I mentioned. Then graphics window dot font size. What is the font size? Here they didn't give any font size. So font size we should mention. So before going to write anything, no, that one we need to fix that. Okay, so font size you mentioned this one, or else what is the default value of the font size? Do you know that 12 only? Okay, here I mentions the 45. Okay, you can change, you can give any font size here. Then graphics window dot font bold. So font bold they are asking in questions bold. Okay, so bold true. Then graphics window font italic true. Okay, so the graphics window dot brush color is equal to white I have given. Okay, so here brush color is white. Okay, that is what before going to write draw a text, if you mention brush color, the text color change into white color. Okay, so here graphics window dot draw text of 40 comma 40, that is the pixel location. No, on that locations I'm going to write this sentence. Okay, what is the sentence within the double quotes I mentioned? Unfilled and filled rectangles. Okay, so on the locations 40 comma 40 I'm going to write unfilled and filled rectangles with which color, which color word I mentioned? White colors. By using white color I'm writing unfilled and filled rectangles text. Understood this one? Okay, see the output here. Okay, background is yellow color. Then two rectangles I have drawn. One is filled one is unfilled one. Filled one with it blue color. Then see the text, that is white color. Okay, so understood. So come to the next one. So go to the page number 69. In practice time, draw a face on the graphics screen using circles and rectangles. Also display the text smiley before below the face. Okay, so we are going to draw one face. Okay, so by using circles and rectangles they are asking in the questions. Okay, so under that face we need to mention that smiley. Okay, so here in the programs graphics window the title is equal to smiley. So here I have given title name is smiley. Okay, and the top of the screens it displays the title. Okay, then graphics window dot width height I already told you, width and height we should mention here. So 400 I have given, 300 I have given. Okay, that is your wish, you can give any width and height. Okay, then graphics window dot background color is equal to blue. So I have given the blue color. Okay, background color. Then graphics window dot brush color is equal to yellow, because I am going to draw one ellipse here. By using fill ellipse we can draw the circle too. Okay, so that's width and height. If you adjust the width and height we can draw the circle here. So I'm going to draw one circle with the brush color is what, yellow color. So I have mentioned graphics window dot brush color is equal to yellow. So graphics window dot fill ellipse of 70 comma 10 comma 240 comma 240. So 70 comma 10 is a location, pixel location. So 70 means x location, y means what, 10 locations. Okay, at the point I am drawing one circle here, 240 comma 240 width and height. Okay, then graphics window brush color is equal to black. Okay, then I am going to draw the another ellipse, two circles. I am going to draw eyes for eyes. So that color is brush color black. Okay, so here graphics window dot brush color is equal to black. Graphics window dot fill ellipse of 100 comma 100, then 50 comma 50. 100 comma is the locations, 50 comma 50 is the width and height. Okay, then graphics window dot fill ellipse of 220 comma 100, then that is the locations. Okay, on the same locations we consider, because it is eyes are different location. No, so if you mention that same locations, the second circle placed on the first circle only. Okay, so we need to change the positioning. So 220 comma 100. Okay, on the locations we are drawing the circle with the help of width 50 and height 50. Next, by using rectangle, I'm going to draw the mouth of the smiley. So graphics window dot fill rectangle. So fill rectangle means I have already given brush color. No, by using the black color, it's going to fill the rectangle. So fill rectangle of 150, 170, 80 comma 30. So 80 comma 30 is the width and height. Okay. So at the location 150, 170, I'm going to draw with the help of width 80 and 30 a rectangle. Okay, that is filled one with black color. Okay, next one, graphics window, font size 36 I mentioned. Then font bold is true, font italic is true. Then graphics window, what, draw text. What I need to write here, smiley. So draw text of the location is 120 comma 250. Then within the double quotes I need to mention that smiley. Okay, you can change, can write anything inside within the double quotes. Okay, here in questions they asked us to write smiley. Okay, you can write your names too. Okay, so I hope you understood these three programs very well. Now I'm going to execute this program in computer. Okay, let's see. This is my program example 5. So I have typed like this. Let's see the output. Click the run button, then click the run button. Then this is my output. Maximize this screen. Yes, so we can change anything here, like text style, size, everything we can change here. Okay, so next let's see the second one, example 6. Okay, so you just to open it, I saved that program as graphics window 2.sp. Okay, so I just to open it, then see this program. I'm going to execute this program now. So by using run button you execute this. See here, so maximize this. So here unfilled rectangles titles are there. Then one is filled rectangle and the one is unfilled rectangles. The next one program is smiley.sp. That program is I need to draw the smiley on the window. Okay, so just to execute this program, run this program, and see here So this is the output of the program only. Okay, like this we can draw anything, okay, by using these programs. Okay students, I hope you like this video so much. Today I completed this chapter. So this chapter is very easy to learn. It's very interesting to learn the code. So study well. Okay, don't waste your time. Okay, I will give the notes to you. Okay, thank you students.